Wondering how to clean up high without renting lifts or climbing ladders? There's a better way to get the job done. Today's cleaning demands more efficiency from every shift, because real cleaning doesn't stop at the floor. With ProTeam's GoHigh Dusting Kits, going high is simple and safe. Carbon fiber delivers superior strength and control at height, and at nearly half the weight of aluminum, it supports better ergonomics with less fatigue. Reach high surfaces with ease and clean floor to ceiling in one workflow. Need to clean directly overhead? Add the optional 90-degree bend to reach flat surfaces with precision. For larger spaces like gyms and multi-story entrances, you can stay safely on the ground while extending your reach up to 26 feet. With specialized tools for vents, pipes, and delicate surfaces, you're ready for the job. That means greater productivity. More done in less time without adding labor. Lightweight design reduces strain, supporting ergonomics shift after shift. And by eliminating lift rentals, you get reduced costs over time. 2 kit options give you the reach you need. It's all part of the ProTeam 5-Star Advantage: productivity, ergonomics, and total cost of ownership. GoHigh Dusting Kits. Clean higher, work smarter, and safer. Learn more at proteam.emerson.com.